This video is sponsored by the makers of Senslip, the undergarment for men that solves sensitivity problems.
Hi everybody.
Hello.
Welcome back to Big Review. I'm Jim, this is Anya, and today we're going to be looking at another Keter product, which is the Denali 100 garden or patio box. It's very well packaged and it comes with a label on it which says heavy. But what we're going to do first, we're going to take all the contents out of the box and we're going to assemble it. Now I've assembled a couple of these things before. They're very easy to put together, but they do take about 15 minutes. There are some screws and some hinges in here which have to be firmly screwed on. As far as I can remember, the only tools that you're going to need to do this is one of these and also a pair of scissors to cut the box open. So let's have a look and see what's inside the box. There we go. And as expected, it does come with some additional packing. First impressions, this is a very well packed box and it comes with a full set of instructions. If you haven't put one of these boxes together before, you're going to have to read them. But as I say, it's a fairly substantial box and it does take about 15 to 20 minutes to put together. But let's just get the bits out. This is part of the frame. And these are the uprights from memory, corner uprights, all made out of moulded plastic, very sturdy. This box is designed to last for a very long time. That looks like the base. Just prop that down there. And we've got these the sides here and the upright sides. These, I believe, this surface you can actually paint. It's a rough surface, but we like the grey, so we're going to keep them grey. That is another side. One more. And then the lid. And then we've got all the screws, a bracket and two hinges in this bag. Okay, let's go. Right, these, they go in the corners. Then the back goes in, and on the back, yep, you've got to make sure that you get these round the right way. And I think that is the right way around. Slide that down there. We should put the back in first, shouldn't we? Never mind.
Yeah.
That's all right. We didn't have the clock.
Okay.
Nope, that's the wrong way around. Right, now we're going to start screwing this thing together at the base. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 screws to go in the bottom. They're recessed holes, so there's no guesswork in where to put the screws. They're the hinges. We'll come back to those in a minute. Okay, we've got these screws here. That's your bag of screws. Okay, if you put the camera down here, you can see, I hope you can see it on there, we've put the screws in the bottom here just by hand, and it's a very simple case of, you've got 20 of these to do. Right, if you follow me around with the camera, what we're going to do now is put the edges on. Now what I'm doing here, one of the lessons I learned the last time I put this together, is make sure everything's pressed all the way down as far as it goes. And then it's back to the screws again. Oh my God, it's hot. That's pretty good. Right, that is completely rigid. Now, get the box top of the lid, and now we're going to put the hinges in place. If you come in close with the camera, what we're going to do is put them in there, and then we're going to get the screws, more screws. So nothing's particularly difficult, it's just a little bit of time that it takes to put everything in position. Once again, more of this stuff. Now, before we go any further, this bit here, for some reason, is not screwed down. So we're going to screw that down with these smaller screws which come with it. And there's only 4 of them on here. Okay, let's screw these things in. We've got all those in there. We're almost done. We've got this little bit to go in here, which is this bit here. That just keeps the back rigid. God, Jesus, this thing's boiling hot. Two more screws to go. Now what I didn't do, silly me, I didn't screw these in. There's 4 of these. And as I said before, this metal bar just keeps the whole thing rigid. That's pretty good. Now, you can put the bracket on here, on the front here, to take a padlock, but I'm not going to use that. Now what I want to do is just show you the other box which is made by Keter, which is a much cheaper version of this one. Similar-ish in size. This is the Keter Springwood, and you can see them both together there. This is a budget box. It's still very strong. We've done a separate review on this box. It's very good, but this one is designed to last a very, very long time. Anya is right behind the camera at the moment, so she can't be in the picture. But what I'm going to say is, if you're happy with seeing this video, please press the like button. If you want to see any more of videos from Big Review, we've got several Keter products, and please press the subscribe button. It's about 30 degrees centigrade and it's very, very hot. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye.
Thank you for watching. This video was sponsored by the makers of SenSlip, the undergarment for men that solves sensitivity problems.